Welcome to Ginesys feature tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about Bale-wise LR quantity management. Bale, in other words, is known as packet or a carton. There are two types of suppliers, that is, some give packet-wise details in the LR and some don't. In our system, we only had one field, that is LR quantity. Due to this, we couldn't allow the user to do packet-wise management while maintaining incoming logistics. With the introduction of bale-wise LR quantity management, operator will now be able to specify the number of bales and quantity of items each bale is containing. Let's see how we can do the same in our software. We are in Ginesys back office. Let's see how we can enable bale-wise LR quantity management. We can enable bale-wise LR quantity management either from supplier master or from customer master. Let's do it from supplier master. Procurement, setup, supplier master. We need to select a supplier and then move to inventory tab. A new option has been added, enable bale-wise LR quantity. In order to enable this option, we need to first enable logistic option. We can now enable bale-wise LR quantity. A similar option has also been provided in organization owned sites button. Inventory tab, enable bale-wise LR quantity. Modifications has been saved. To create an LR, we need to go to inventory module, logistics, incoming, LR. Let's create an LR. Invoice number and invoice date option has now been added. Maintain bale-wise quantity option will remain enabled only if the same has been enabled in supplier master. We can disable the same while creating an LR. The new option for bale-wise LR quantity management has been added, that is bale details. We can enter the bale number manually, give some item remarks and the quantity of item in that bale. We can also use quick populate method to enter bale details. If the number of bales is 2, we need to enter 2 and then click on quick populate. We can then provide item remarks and item quantity in that bale. If you want to delete any row, we need to select that row and click on delete button. Please note, item remarks and item quantity both are non-mandatory fields. Operator may or may not provide any data in these fields. To save the bale details, we need to click on OK button. LR quantity will reflect the number of bales. Let's save this LR. LR has been created successfully. Let's create a gate entry against the LR. After the LR has been selected, we can now enter the received quantity by clicking on bale details. We can select the bales which have been received and then click on OK. Let's save the gate entry. Let's see how can we tag the bales while doing goods received challan. Procurement, goods received challan. Let's create a goods received challan. We can now select the gate entry number. Once the gate entry has been selected, we can now enter the bale details. We will now select the packet which has been received and then click on OK. Please note, if gate entry is not applicable for a supplier, we will directly select a logistic number and then enter the quantity by selecting the bale details. GRC has been created successfully. Let's check the details in the LR. We'll select the LR. Gate entry details are being reflected in Receive Details tab. Gate entry has been done for both the quantities. Bale Summary tab. will show the status of both the bales. One of the bale has been tagged with GRC, which is being reflected here, and the other one is yet to be tagged. Please note, once a bale has been tagged with a GRC, user will not be able to uncheck the option since the LR is already tagged. This was all about bale-wise LR quantity management. Thank you.